You're yucked now. You are yucked. You just wait till Hiccups hears about this. Hiccups.
Who's that?
She's yucking crazy, man. I just found out today
crazier than you?
she is yucking crazy. She agrees with me with stuff. That means she gets it.
What you gonna do about it, pipsqueak, huh?
Whoa.
Come out here and say it to my face. Come out here and say it to my face. Oh, it's me. Yeah, Ray fucking Mond. Say it to my face, bitch. Come out here. Do you need to be escorted out? Patty, I'm gonna do something really horrible. You're so afraid to face me on your own. So afraid to face me on your own that you'd get daddy involved.
Damn.
I would watch what you're saying.
Watch what I'm saying? Well, maybe why don't you listen closely, Bon. I will not rest until you're 6 feet underground. I will not fucking rest. No, I'm not saying my fucking beat.
Then how can we fix it?
There's only one way to fucking fix this. That's the only fucking way to fix this, Benji. Shut the fuck